Hey everyone, what's up? Wanted to give you a quick update on the giveaway. I've got the first set of prizes figured out and tell you about them right now. Third place is going to get a choice of a new set of brushed motors for their micro builds like the Whoop. They're 8.5 or 6 millimeters, your choice, set of 4. I think they're around 46 or 48,000 kV. I'll put in the description for sure. Second place is going to get a brand new 200 milliwatt 40 channel race band VTX. And the first place this time around is going to get a ShenDrones Tweaker FPV Addiction frame with a blue TPU camera mount, blue standoffs, 4mm uniframe, a 2mm top frame, all the hardware, a little sticker, and a battery strap, all brand new. The giveaway is going to run the entire month of February. Keep checking back. I'll have another update, and then on February 1st there will be a video with instructions on exactly how to enter into the giveaway. Now let's get on to this unboxing really quick here. The Taranis X90 Plus Special Edition. So I'm really excited to see what number I got. There's only 500 of these, and we already know that the first one was given to Mr. Steele himself. All right, see what we've got here. We'll get to that in just a minute. Over here, we've got some stickers for your transmitter and the grip tape for the side of the transmitter. We've got some instructions, documentation, more stickers. Looks like a warranty registration card. All right, we've got the gimbal protectors, the kickstand, an FR Sky lanyard. It's actually a pretty nice lanyard, it's not bad. And the adapter. A US charger. Sure that you'll get whatever charger is correct for your country. This is a Mode 2 transmitter with the US charger. And all right, let's get this guy out of here and let's go straight to the number. Number 2. Number 116. I'm okay with that. It's not bad. All right, enough playing around. All right, so it's got the M9 gimbals. Everything's black hardware. I really like that. The gimbals feel really nice. Much better than the original gimbals that came with the X90 and the X90 Plus. This also has the improved switches, and they do feel significantly improved. And they've got the rubber switch covers on them. Yeah. It's got a semi-reflective, it's kind of hard to see it, but it does have indeed a kind of reflective screen cover there, and then you can see the little steel stash. It's got the removable antenna with an RP-SMA connector. Flip it over here to the back. Again, we got number 116 out of 500. All right. So now that we've got that done, set that right there. Let's check this guy out. So here it is, the M9R gimbal. So what the M9R gimbal is, if any of you are unfamiliar with it, is it's a good replacement gimbal for your M9 with a reduced throw. So it will only travel 45 degrees. So whereas this one has a travel of about 60 degrees, the other one will only travel 45. And we'll see that right now. Plus it's a nice red aluminum. Let's get that out of the way for a second. So here's the gimbal itself. And you can see the throw here. That's it. Those are full throws. So for anyone using their thumbs, it's going to be much easier to reach full resolution. So if you think about it, if you've got this and you're using your thumb, it's not tough, it's not impossible, but if you're flying and you're being real precise, it does take a bit to get there. Now, don't have this on a transmitter obviously, but let's pretend. That's it. That's full, down, full, down, full, down. So much less movement. Yes, I'm excited about this. Oh, and then on the back, any of you who've changed your gimbals to the regular M9s probably noticed that this was a little long, so that's been fixed. And they've got it the right length. They've got it tacked down with some nice adhesive here. These are all the right length, so when you go to plug it in, it all fits right where it should. What else we got in here? Oh, we have some mounting hardware, and we have another red aluminum stick end. If you want to put that on your other stick, I'm not sure. Probably leave one black. I kind of like the whole one red gimbal look. All right, folks, there it is. The Mr. Steele Edition Corsair Blue Taranis. We have the M9R gimbal. We got the kickstand. The other pieces for the Taranis are right back here in this box, which means I should probably put it away. So make sure you subscribe to these videos and click the notification icon so that you'll be notified when I upload a new one. One of the things that I'm going to be doing real soon here is a video on programming this with custom voice files, Lua scripts and everything, so that you can make it functional for you. Another quick announcement on the build series. We're going to start that with the Kinetic Aerial Vector. Going to be building that with the Mr. Steele PDB. It was actually designed specifically to fit the Mr. Steele PDB. I believe it's the only frame other than the Alien to which the PDB actually works without modifying something or trying to hack it to make it work. Anyways, keep an eye out for that. Hope to get that posted within the next few days, and let me know what you thought about this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, let me know why. Leave a comment down below. Again, subscribe, click the notifications. See you next time.